Android screen broken and can't access your photos? Don't worry, this video shows you 3 ways to recover photos and videos, even with a black screen. Part 1. Recover photos or videos from Android with black screen without backup. When an Android phone suffers from a black screen or other access issues, broken Android data extraction can help retrieve important files from the damaged device. Follow these steps to recover photos and videos from a broken Android screen. Install and open Broken Android Data Recovery. Connect your black screen Android phone via USB. Select Broken Android Data Extraction, choose the issue type and click Start. Confirm your device details by using the drop-down menus too. Choose your device name and device model. Check the I agree box, then click Confirm to move forward. Follow the on-screen instructions to place your glitchy phone into download mode. Once that's done, click the Start button to allow the program to begin scanning your device. After the scan completes, all files on the phone will be displayed in categorized lists. Select the photos or videos you wish to recover, then click the Recover button to extract them to your computer. Part 2. Retrieve photos or videos from Android with black screen via Google Drive. Step 1. Check whether photos or videos were backed up. Step 2. Download photos or videos from Google Photos. Step 3. Restore photos or videos to a new Android device. Step 4. Retrieve files from Google Drive. Part 3. Recover photos or videos from black screen Android phone via SD card. Step 1. Remove the SD card from the Android phone. Step 2. Connect the SD card to a computer. Step 3. Locate photos and videos. Step 4. Recover missing files if needed.